Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we have a 2016, so it's a Kia Sedona, and we're going to go over how you would pop the hood. So to release the hood latch we need to pull this lever, and that will release the latch up front, and then we'll go around and open that up. So we've got the latch, it's come up, and you reach right down here in the middle, and it's on the bottom, and you're just going to push it down, and that way, sorry. I'll push it down. So you reach here in the middle, and you're going to pull this latch lever to the left, and then it releases the locking mechanism. And then you'll raise up the hood, and we have support over here. It goes right in this whole hole right there and locks into place. That's how you open up your hood to be able to do things you need to inside the engine bay. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.